On garment ASD 266, once the pattern cutter has produced the pattern, we would then go on to make a toile. Now a toile is a prototype, and it's a good representation of the pattern, which would then be referred to the design, and hopefully you've got a three-dimensional item that links to the design and is a true representation of that design. Now the prototype or toile would be made maybe in calico or a fabric that's representative of the fabric that the final garment may be made in. This should happen really because a toile can either sell or not sell a garment, because normally a customer would see a toile first or a prototype and then be happy with it and then go forward.